Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. I love you all.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Yep, it's early morning, I think around 4 a.m. or something like that. I'm having my coffee. And if you don't mind, while you got a moment, subscribe. Yeah, this is day 3 of our little project on our house. We've made quite a bit of progress yesterday, considering we had a huge electrical storm yesterday morning. Oh man. I actually shut everything down, but after it passed, we brown out for, I guess, 4 or 5 hours, something like that. I don't know for sure, because before I got the solar out, we had electricity, so the guys could work. Unfortunately, they could have still worked, but it had been much slower progress, As far as it would have been difficult. But this is my first experience with HardieFlex, and from what I gather, it should be a good product, especially done the upgrade at 4.5 millimeter above the 3.5. And this is the what they call the next generation. It's supposed to be improved. I don't keep up to date on HardieFlex products, but hopefully everything is improved in the right manner. I got my receptacles in, and I put my wall mount for my TV up, Grace's altar, and we're debating on what color to do it as far as painting. I'm really happy with everything in progress so far. When I get inside, when they finally get inside, I have to take some videos of this plywood. Yesterday, we got a receptacle in our living room that we never use. So while we're into it and had the wall open, I said, let's just flip it around. So in the process of him getting ready to flip it around, he just put his hand on the wall and it just fell apart in just pieces. And there's no reason for it to do that. It was in a dry area, no water. I mean, it just went everywhere. It just crumbled. It's just imagine if that was to catch on fire. This house would have went up in 5 minutes, maybe less. Can't wait to get it all out. Oh, forgot. No, I didn't forget. Just hadn't got around to it. Virgil is improving considerably. The doctor today is going to let Grace know if she will discharge him or keep him for another day. Hopefully they discharge him, because I know he wore out, and her mama too, and I miss mama. Fortunately, I can do a lot of things for myself, but still, I miss mama. I can't cook. But I'm glad Virgil doing much has improved. I'm curious. I'll fill you in on what she ended up paying above what Phil Hilt pays. I'll let you know what on that. I got some back to my project. I got some HardieFlex tape coming, joint tape. They didn't have stock in San Carlos for the HardieFlex brand. I'm sure I could have used, well, they didn't have any 2-inch tape at all. It was out. So I'm going to, hopefully, I've never worked with HardieFlex. Hopefully it's similar to drywall. If it is, it'd be, it won't be bad at all. I do have the joint compound too. Well, folks, I really appreciate your time and listening to me stutter and drag along. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe and you'll see what happens over the next couple of months. Thank you.